Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Halor ke jingmi ke kubur ham saya, hakin ki kendiat sengi balala, hakaba ki lat patai kubur ki lasim yaka, kum ke jingkran, jong wei neki menteri sarkar, uba sengiau bahalang dhar. Baki don hadu perangut ki MLA jong keseng Indian National Congress ki batmu banlet penyesono bat keseng National People's Party. Ban yo jing penca susu halor kene haka artarik menta obnai naitung arhajar ka khandai ka Batisi TV kalayor banyakran bat uwei neki MLA jong keseng Indian National Congress na Maulai constituency uba proses di saukme ubala pencai ba kaladon ka khap baki MLA jong keseng Congress ki julet ye kendo ye ki menteri jong sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance Henry kadai pat halor ki kampenroy haki constituency jong ki bat tengkhat pat kadai tang kajing ye kendo banyadi sya parlong nalor kani ubak proses ti saukme ulai thoru ba kumba kalong menta ki khat khandai ngot ki MLA keseng Congress jong kani kejela ki dan hapdeng kajing ye teli bat banyai ne bat keseng Congress
la kadai nak liang jong ka ruling nak liang opposition de nak hamdap nak liang jong opposition along bas sometime we have to go and meet with chief minister, deputy chief minister, with minister. See, I mean, you have come dengan ketin kelong sometime we have to go and meet with them. Di jika haka meeting kelong haka jing kendu kalau berong the different type of meeting. Tau first meeting nak liang jing ilit nam tak development. Kementak kebaat pada kalong ba we are close with them just to have a cup of tea. Di kamut kalong when we go and meet with the minister, it doesn't mean that we will go and join with any party. Di pisong tu hakabedi bakani ka jingkren kalong nakaliang jong mas gawi nakaliang jong ang tong kani ka way kalong ba pisong tu kalong long ka bah kalong mon comments mabeli ka syong ni kalong haka yung haka we can think kalong ka self conscience of individual di kamut hang ni mata kalong ka syong mata kalong haki Emily ke jong langan dong don ni kam don ru kalong ba bahai ngaban kren mabeli ke benda ka ba namar beli ni namar ba kumbang gidu nakapor si kapor ikan syai kalong ba all 19 MLAs we are united that from time to time we can do ban kapor can do we are united all 19 the in between of that pada kalong ngimtip dengan ong tan dijar khat wala nak jar khat ba kalong kumdo kata ka kalong self conscience jongki MLA ke badan kumputa ka jikmu and no doubt hi kambalong matahi nak liang jongka Congress party jingi dan dia ka kalong very difficult situation state even the center especially after we kalong bahang nila rem after we have lost the general election it is very tough for the party it is a time also that it is a testing time for the party even for MLAs dengan kan syong mata kalong hangi mata balik kalong pisau tu kalong ihap kalong dan baka parti lah ka jenjar lani ban ka bor ihap kalong man stick ban ka parti di kawi ke point ke bangan nakali ngajong ahi ngadon ka jengkermen kalong bali namar ba baro ngai scam kalong baro kan dagut ke medi nakali ngajoki hi ngilong kawi kumba ila job na kongres ni pa ban ndia be kongres till the end of the term di hapdeng jong kani pingi scam kalong ba ka decision ke bala sim kalong na dia jong insure foi ka case jong danggo ex MLA ex minister de kumtu na kaliang badanggo kalau hadim bala job na kongres resign di kongres join DP ikon election pada meno dengan scam hadin ke jing hadin juga kajing rem jong badanggo scam baru ki MLA ki long baru ki MLA hi scam baru ki habar pakat ba it is a risk pada kajar happy resign ru it is a risk if you get 2/3 majority also is a risk. Both are a risk. Di ngang scam kalong ke media kalong ba ke media kalong dapat hat ba. Di hoi ke jing kuat jing media kalong hablang imdan apa ka portion babiang dan imdan government kadublan khamduna. Kata kami jumlah bandina kata rebasya. Kalau development kedua, ndai ke silong help song tu upai ba song tu kata. Pi kalong bali song tu kata ngacak api semua example. Badon ku par roiling do nang ni napok soyong udi minister home. Ba samdin mangyang umdong IRM. Di tong social worker. Ndai kalong ba ada time election. Kibri kalong bilang ba samdin nang perem kalong wat ya minister. Boleh? Besok kalong kasyong mentah kalong kasyong ka public relation. Mini por kalau publik kami kan job election kami syong mentah kalong ha development kasyong development kasyong ru mentah ka jing dei kalau individual kai jing dei jong ki lona tang ada first week case pada supaya mentah ha ba hari bodanggu la resign kamu oh MLA jong congress ya kun election ba danggu tu pom kun election de co chairman nakala jo government jo NPP de co chairman ba PS umlong IRM witang social worker even then kalong ada table election ye pai ba pada gestu kalong yenu banjir de ngi don jigmen wat naga yang kejungi dan kalong wat haka opposition ngai scam kalong daka sincerity jungi commitment jungi wat khamtam naga wakas bangidon ga media scheme ada media scheme kalong arkror ngaka syong ba ngai scam dalang jungi penon kam hok tang gini arkror do ka abiang kalau bangin nak kalian jungi kalau bangin wan pai biang kalau haka in wan pai biang kalau hak aja aku lai. The most important point ni pak ban matai pi kalau matai hapok jong American ni gue jelau jong kat India kan hapok Amerika as of today Congress party is the best party among all the party that we have in our state. Though as of now number jungi kalau 19 NPP is 21. Mereka kalong ba Congress Party jungi kalong ka vote bank kalau dan habaro kini under totally constituency. Di kai ke BI mengenai khamtam ni pet kalong hakan ni ka MP election badap khasi jantia kalong mengi lai konstruksi nak lai konstru lai ar job ni the sau kalong sum job dari pet kalong pada kalong ya ka vote share jungi kalong almost all 36 ka vote share jungi la kio. Di wat hapo garis lu Congress lu kimla bakot ong ba Congress party kala daw. Congress party kedan Congress party jungi kedan haba Congress party jungi kedan habaro ki habaro kalong ki akonsi jong garis. Tingi i kalong ba arjar atulai Congress will come back to power. Not only that mentapi election kadang jengai. They went 2011 when 2021 2022 by that time PSI kalong bon kalong nak kalian juga kandidat kita approach ban pan tiket kalong nak kalian jongka party jong tengi i kalong aja pulai no doubt Congress will come back to even in between of that people politics is uncertain, anything may possible. Now menta fi so thu kalong menta kalong ani government menta kalaya kalong senam siteng to fi menta basa salai senam siteng salai senam siteng nim tip e banja temudu ban poi berkhat kalong if it is God grace and miracle happen no poi berkhat kalong congress kan biang ke bor ada time if not we are running but with somebody that way, but with someone that we walking together. This is politics art of possibility. Everything is possible. 3.5 years. Kumbaw mangin na kanyang demokrasi kumbalo matahi. We are not hurry to form government with anybody. Ngi sutu kumbalo matahi. We like to play as active opposition. Mungkin sibun kide ke isu bangin ra kalau pemtang ngin sistem ngina persyang. Manang ni sepat ngina persyang kambon. Hak kabade kalong ba. Bat ki isu kepada nak berajong kejela bar ki kami hibar kami di tahi modern ban ong hibar Congress ke debate house that is a very wrong statement. That statement has been fabricated and manufactured by somebody who like to make a big headline. Rangi pi ke benda ke basa hi hak kabade bat kan leadership kumpul bat kan leadership pi ke benda ke basa kalau ngajong kan way as of today we have not discussed anything about the chain of leadership in the CLP. Baling yang menggambarkan kami important. We are waiting for the All India Congress Committee. Even in Delhi, party as of today, after Rahul Gandhi has been offered to resign. From day by day, all leaders are meeting with him, request him to take back. But even Delhi, we have not settled. We would like to let Delhi settle first. The rest of that we will see. Jika kawai ke silong mentang daw ngim kampadon kanu kanuru, jika dah lap dang mentang su accuse ke tam buat daw, tam complain, just accuse. Or they kata. Nekum kalau matahi, chain of leadership we have not discussed. Even Delhi have not been doing anything or take action anything. But how the state will take action first. Waiting for Delhi first, then we'll see for the state. But from our party for all MLAs, ini community bagi kolek jungihi kalong ba kalong intact bay, united bay. Kasilong nakalang juga message kalong don't rush. And for 3.5 years is there. Then we will see because we don't know what will happen tomorrow. 3.5 years, many things will happen. And we will see for the time when we move, all 90 will move together. How we'll move, how we will do that. Among us, or CLP will take decision.